Welcome to Stat Bytes. This is Imran Sunusara, and this video is going to be regarding converting many variables from string to numeric. So this video has been requested by one of the YouTube user, and instead of using the traditional replace command and using bunch of lines in them, how can we quickly convert if we have many string variables? So let's go ahead and get started. I have already created a dummy file with a bunch of string variables, gender, race, and so forth. So let's go ahead and quickly see what are the attributes of all the variables. So just go ahead and type codebook, and we can quickly see, all right, gender is string, race is string, and all of the variables which are listed are string, except for the ID, which is numeric. Okay, so for today, we are going to use loops and the command called encode. To get more information about encode, you can type help encode, enter, and go ahead and read this if you have time. But I'll show you the simpler way and try to demonstrate how we can combine both of them. So go ahead and open up the new do file editor, and the loop, to start a loop, I'm going to start with for each var list in. Now in what? So I'm going to specify all my variables. So I'm going to click gender, race, class, car type, hybrid, hybrid error. So as you see, when I double click on this, the variables starts populating under the command line. So I take this and paste right in here, then space, open up the loop, and then type the command encode, then left quote, put var list, which we have defined our list, then generate underscore, I'll copy this from here and close the loop. So let me explain you what this code is doing. So what I'm saying is that for each of this variable, do this thing. What is that thing? Convert string to numeric, and that is done by the syntax encode to generate a new variable which is going to be numeric. So let me explain you what. So encode, it plugs in gender here and generates underscore gender. It again loops it to race, which is our second variable, and plugs in here and generates underscore race. Then again loops it for our third string variable. It plugs in here and then generates a numeric underscore class. Okay, so let me run this quickly for you. So I'm just going to simultaneously show you together that how the output looks like. Once you run this, if you see now we have extra variables which we were expecting. So to quickly see what are the properties or the attributes of the variables, I'm going to quickly run codebook just for one variable, gender and underscore gender. You can do for rest of the variables. So if you see gender, we had 4 female and 6 male, and the type was string. But now we created a new variable which is underscore gender, and we have again 4 females and 6 males. But we have an extra information here that about numeric. So female has been coded as 1, male has been coded as 2. And to see that for when we double click male, we can see the coding behind it. That is 2 for female is 1, compared to if we double click on gender, the original variable on the string, we don't see the coding behind it. Okay, so now this is the numeric, and this is the string. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I was able to answer the question. So please free to comment below the video, and if you have any further request, please let me know. Thank you. Have a good day.